Hi, everyone, and welcome back to Hello Word, the podcast where we dive into the fascinating world of English vocabulary. I'm Alex, your host, and I'm thrilled to have you here today. Our word of the day is actual, an adjective that means real or existing in fact. Let's explore how this word is used in everyday language and how you can incorporate it into your conversations. The word actual is often used to distinguish what is real or true from what is imagined, expected, or supposed. For example, if you were watching a movie based on a true story, you might say, "This film is inspired by an actual event." It emphasizes the authenticity of a situation or fact being described. Some great synonyms for actual include real, genuine, authentic, and true. Let's look at these in action. I thought the gem was fake, but it turned out to be a genuine diamond. Another example could be, the painting is an authentic masterpiece, not a replica. These synonyms help convey the same idea of being rooted in reality. Now, let's consider some antonyms of actual, like imaginary, fake, false, or unreal. For example, you might say, the treasure map led to an imaginary chest of gold. Or, I thought the story was based on real events, but it turned out to be completely false. These words highlight the contrast between what is real and what is not. In daily life, you'll often hear actual used to clarify or emphasize facts. Imagine someone saying, the actual temperature today is much colder than what was forecasted. Or, I don't need your guess. I need the actual number of people attending the event. It's a handy word for stressing accuracy and truth. Let's practice using actual in some sentences. The book's plot is based on actual historical events. I didn't realize the actual price of the car would be so high after taxes. The actual time of the meeting is 2 p.m., not 3 p.m. as previously mentioned. Before we wrap up, let's review what we've learned. The word actual means real or existing in fact. It has synonyms like real, genuine, and authentic, and antonyms like imaginary and false. This word is perfect for emphasizing the truth or authenticity of something, making it incredibly useful in both casual and formal settings. Thank you so much for tuning in to Hello Word. If you enjoyed today's episode, make sure to subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps more language learners discover the show. I also encourage you to create your own sentence using actual and share it with us in the comments. I can't wait to see your creativity in action. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.